Comanche County in central Iowa, Eastern Polk County in central Iowa, Story County in central Iowa, Marshall County in central Iowa, Northern Marion County in south central Iowa, Tama County in central Iowa, Mahaska County in south central Iowa, Jasper County in central Iowa, northeastern Warren County in south central Iowa, until noon. At 11:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles southwest of Eldora to near Newton to Pleasantville, moving east at 70 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms.
Oh no.
Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Holy crap.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
Oh no.
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely.
No.
Locations impacted
No.
include Marshalltown, Newton, Algeta, Oskaloosa, Pella, Grinnell, Pleasant Hill, Novega, Toledo, Montezuma, Carlisle, Lauderdale, Story City, Tama, Mitchellville, Colfax, Monroe, Traer, Prairie City, and State Center. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 142 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected.
Uh-oh.
Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury. Several tree limbs down there, tree trunk snapped, roads are blocked. So we mentioned earlier.